Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel J Education. Now we are going to learn and write essay on rainy season. Let's start. Rainy season or monsoon is a pleasant season. Rainy season comes after the summer. This season begins in June and ends in September. The sky becomes overcast and cloudy. People use raincoats and umbrellas. Streets and roads become muddy. Rainy season is a boon of trees, birds and animals. Ponds and rivers become filled with water. Rain cleans our environment from pollution. Rainbow is seen on the sky. Peacocks dance and spread their colorful feathers. Farmers are happy as it helps in the growth of their crops. The rainy season is very important for us. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.